Here I am going to show how the colorizing autoencoder works. So actually colorizing autoencoder and denoising autoencoder are almost the same. This is kind of application of simple autoencoder. So what colorizing autoencoder does, it take the grayscale image and translate it into a color image. So here I'm using the same Keras library, and I'm using the CFAR 10 dataset. The Keras library has this CFAR 10 dataset. This is the different object dataset. Um, so I'm using this data. What I'm going to do is, first, this is the RGB data, so I'm converting it into the grayscale image here for training this network. And then um, once I load it, I convert it into the grayscale. Then I normalize this data by dividing it by 255 here. So let's see this data set. So this is actually the CFAR 10 dataset, which contains different objects, animals, and different other objects. So these are the testing samples, the colored samples, and these are the ground truth. And we want to generate this kind of the ground truth colored images from uh, these grayscale images. So I converted the colored images into grayscale images which look like this, and we will use this colorizing autoencoder to give color to these grayscale images. So I'm now training this network. Once it trained, then we will test with the same grayscale images whether it is transforming those images into colored images or not. Now once the training is finished, we tested that this colorizing autoencoder with the grayscale images. So the grayscale images were used as input to this network, and here we can see that these are the predicted or the generated uh, colored images from the given grayscale images. So it somehow generate very reasonable results. Like here you can see this a horse, aeroplane. So it is successful in colorizing the grayscale images.